Presented over 5 weeks by faculty, physicians, and scientists, Mini-Med-School is a tuition-free lecture series designed to help people improve their health and well-being. Sessions are casual, fun, and informative, while focusing on disease and healthcare issues important to the community.
So we're just going to have a conversation.
Issues like diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension.
And look at how many deaths hypertension is attributed to in the United States of America. We think about 9/11. This is 9/11 times about 12, 100, whichever way you want to do your math, but that's a lot of 9/11s, 360,000 people. So we got to remember this is a very, very important issue to think about.
Sessions have also addressed Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, nutrition, exercise, and the effects of stress on the mind and body. In the wake of the nationwide opioid crisis, one recent mini-med session was devoted to overdose response training and how to administer Narcan to save lives.
Push it down on here, okay, and then you start twisting and you'll feel it catch, and then it stops.
At the end of the session, Narcan was provided to all Mini-Med-School participants free of charge so they can be prepared to help. Mini-Med-School participants also learned how to save lives by promptly addressing bleeding emergencies. Mini-Med-School also tackles innovative topics like social justice and its connection to health.
We see it every day in the emergency department, from homelessness to addiction to violence to health access issues, affordability of patient medications. We deal with that with our patients on a daily basis.
So you guys are going to go out and see the Breathmobile and see.
In 2008, Mini-Med-School expanded, creating a special program to educate children living in West Baltimore.
Does it sound nice and clear?
These young students are learning about allergy and asthma from Dr. Mary Bollinger.
What can trigger asthma too? Smoking. So what are you supposed to do? Stay away from smoking and no smoking.
This class featured a special visit from the University of Maryland Breathmobile. Students got a chance to go on board to check out the mobile allergy and asthma clinic, which brings specialty care to young people in the city. In 2015, Mini-Med-School was extended to older learners with the Seniors Medical Symposium, focusing on the latest medical advances, including breakthroughs in transplant surgery and genetics.
Hopefully you'll learn by the end that genes really hold some of the secrets to who we are, where we came from for sure, and somewhat how we're put together and how we're made.
At the end of Mini-Med-School, students received graduation certificates to commemorate their learning experience. Since 2001, more than 8,000 people have received health education through Mini-Med-School. For the University of Maryland School of Medicine, I'm Larry Roberts.
Thank you.